this video series, we'll be doing the 450L build. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to organize the videos like into different parts. I do want to make a dedicated camshaft video, so install and dyno tuning, so that one might have to wait, but I'll probably put majority of that camshaft video in with one of these videos. I'm not quite sure how this is going to work, but in this video we're going to be sandblasting the frame and powder coating it and maybe start putting it together in different variations. Alright, thanks guys. Alright, here's the frame. Still in the oven, it's a little warm, but y'all can see the color. It's a gloss black with a little bit of gold flake mixed in. It's a pretty sweet color. Alright, first thing we're gonna put on some foot pegs.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me.
So these foot pegs have these plastic sliders for Supermoto. I'm gonna take them off for now. I'm riding dirt most likely.
I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled around, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off.
I did put the foot pegs on and strapped it down. It's pretty steady. That's just the bike lift moving. Pretty sweet to be able to work on this. Just bring it up and down and start building. So I have 3 weeks to get this thing fully put together, dyno tuned, and tested for a little off-road enduro event that I signed up for. It's on May 29th and today is, I think, the 7th. So my busy lifestyle, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this done, but we shall see. So first things up, I'm not going to do a massive how-to video on how to do all this stuff. Probably just going to be quick montages and set up the tripod and fast forward through things with some music in the background or something, just to show what I'm doing. And if you guys ever do this, maybe the steps you can take or whatever. But here's the linkage bearings, and the linkages. So I'm probably gonna throw these on first, and then put the engine in, or the forks, swing arm. I have to have the engine in for the swing arm. So yeah, let's get to it. So what I'm doing is I'm just measuring how far this is in. So Honda says it has to be 6 millimeters from the shoulder. So it's about right there, 6 millimeters to 6.5 millimeters. Okay, there is the one linkage piece done. Looks pretty sweet. It's powder coated in the black texture. Okay, there we go. Pretty much the same thing with this side. The kit did come with extra ones of these, but I looked at all the old parts I had. Pretty much there's not one of these washer things on that side. This is just the sliding thing on that side. Okay, the swing arm bearings are done. So brand new bearings in the swing arm and the linkage. They were pretty good. I probably could have reused the original bearings. They weren't dirty at all or anything, and that was probably 5,000 kilometers of just dirt, or maybe 5,000 kilometers, 4,000 kilometers of just dirt. But 1,000 K on the street I did on it probably. So yeah, I have a new swing arm slider. I'm gonna grab that, put that on, and I'm gonna put this aside until I throw in the engine, but I could probably mount these linkages right now.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed.
A little for your information, I put the foot pegs on first. It's now blocking this bolt from sliding through there. So I'm going to take the foot peg off, put on this side linkage first, and then put the foot peg back on, and then tighten the bike down. Okay, got that one linkage put on, foot peg back on.
Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium.
Okay, alright. We are getting somewhere. So that's ready to go. Swing arms ready to go. Pretty much this is the swing arm bolt. This goes where the engine is once I have it in the frame. But it's looking pretty sweet. When all this is together, I'm going to regret bringing it into the dirt, because it's never going to be this clean again. Maybe I'll just put it in the museum.
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Alright, so this is what I got dialed in on the bike so far. Got the cylinder head on. I'm gonna put the camshaft in soon. I was waiting on some hot cam shim kit. Got the rear brake on. Put this little primary drive chain guide. Yeah, threw on the shifter real quick. Shock is in. Alright, so I think this wraps up this video, and I'm gonna be trucking on this bike a little bit more here, so stay tuned for another video. This thing's gonna be fully back together within a couple weeks, so the next video is gonna be coming at you pretty quick, and gonna be bringing it down to the dyno and testing it out, so stay tuned for that. Consider subscribing, and thanks guys.
I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.